What if the coldness creeping into your feet every night has nothing to do with aging? Weak blood flow can triple your chances of falling once you cross 60. Yet almost 1 out of 3 older individuals never discover why their lower limbs feel chilled, tired, or unstable. Physicians frequently dismiss it as typical aging. However, deep within your blood pathways, something different is occurring, silently robbing you of movement and self-assurance. Here is the encouraging reality. Most of this deterioration is not forever. Your body can still respond to circulation support regardless of your years, provided you offer it proper nourishment. Allow me to reveal what might be happening inside your lower limbs at this very moment. As years pass, arterial hardness can rise by nearly 40%. The small vessels reaching your feet may shrink by 20 to 30%. Heat escapes, blood movement slows. Your toes become colder than other body parts, particularly during nighttime hours. You experience prickling sensations, weight, or muscle tightening when standing extended periods. Walking toward the restroom becomes careful and measured. Over 60% of individuals past 65 brace themselves against walls without conscious awareness. Now comes a deeper truth almost nobody discusses. Beyond 60, your system may generate up to 70% less nitric oxide. This natural compound instructs your vessels to loosen and expand. When nitric oxide decreases, your vessels function like cramped pathways rather than broad roads. Blood delivery to lower limbs drops by 20 to 40% based on habits and medical background. Muscles feel starved, nerves become agitated, coldness settles in, every footstep grows heavier. Standard approaches target symptoms, raising your feet, swallowing tablets, wearing thick socks. But supporting nitric oxide may assist vessels in remaining open, allowing increased blood to reach legs and feet once more. Here is the remarkable discovery. Certain natural oils provide compounds your system utilizes for vasodilation. This widening permits warmth and improved circulation to return. Today, I am ranking 5 oils from lowest to highest effectiveness for supporting leg and foot blood flow when applied properly. The leading 3 may deliver observable warmth and lightness within a single day, especially following the timing guidance shared here. Number 5. Coconut oil. Most older individuals view oils as basic cooking fats. Coconut oil receives identical treatment. It waits on kitchen shelves for occasional baking needs. People see flavor, not nourishment, never imagining this common oil might gently help their lower limbs feel warmer and more comfortable again. Nutritional research indicates coconut oil assists blood vessel comfort when consumed regularly. Some smaller investigations report that its compounds support vessel flexibility by approximately 15% and may reduce mild inflammation by around 20%. Coconut oil holds lauric acid, caprylic acid, and protective antioxidants supporting natural nitric oxide. When vessels remain supple, blood travels more readily toward your feet. After 40, when vessels may harden and circulation slows, coconut oil becomes increasingly valuable. Consume daily by adding small amounts to smoothies, warm dishes, or broths. Select unrefined varieties. Maintain consistency. Number 4. Sesame oil. This golden amber oil typically serves stir-fry dishes or flavoring purposes. People recognize taste, not therapeutic potential. Cardiovascular research suggests sesame oil supports vessel flexibility and comfortable movement with regular consumption. Sesame oil contains lignans alongside beneficial fats and antioxidants. These elements assist your body's nitric oxide production, encouraging arteries to relax rather than constrict. When vessels loosen, blood flows more efficiently toward lower extremities. Beyond 40, many individuals notice stubborn cold toes, weighted calves after sitting, or feet slow to awaken each morning. With daily sesame oil consumption, some experience transformation from chilled, heavy legs toward warmer, lighter limbs eager for movement. Drizzle over prepared vegetables, blend into soups, or incorporate into smoothies. Choose unrefined options and remain consistent. Number 3. Flaxseed oil. Many reach for flaxseed oil without deeper consideration, using it merely when recipes demand something nutritious. It waits on shelves undervalued, while people wish their legs felt lighter again. Unlike coconut oil, flaxseed oil carries one disadvantage. It typically costs more and deteriorates quickly, demanding both attention and dedication. Cardiovascular research demonstrates flaxseed oil supports smoother blood movement when consumed daily. Studies examining omega-3 fats reveal potential benefits for vessel flexibility, with circulation improvements of 10 to 20% in certain evaluations. Flaxseed oil contains alpha-linolenic acid, lignans, and antioxidants supporting natural nitric oxide pathways. When vessels relax, blood journeys more easily toward lower legs and feet. Beyond 40, many observe cold toes remaining cold, heavy calves following seated periods, or feet requiring extended time to awaken. Blend into smoothies, incorporate into warm meals, or drizzle over prepared vegetables. Select unrefined varieties and maintain steady usage. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Most older adults consider extra virgin olive oil supreme for blood flow. This reputation proves well-deserved. People feel confident using it, having heard its heart benefits. What they seldom recognize is how much comfort it may provide their lower limbs with consistent consumption. Here is something unexpected. While olive oil proves powerful, one oil may extend even further in supporting lower body circulation. Quality extra virgin olive oil carries expense, and cheaper alternatives lose beneficial compounds. Cardiovascular research confirms extra virgin olive oil supports vessel flexibility and circulation comfort with daily usage. Some investigations suggest 8 to 15% improvement in vessel relaxation markers. It contains polyphenols, oleic acid, and antioxidants supporting natural nitric oxide pathways. When vessels maintain flexibility, blood travels smoothly toward lower extremities. Drizzle over warm meals, incorporate into soups, or blend gently into smoothies. Select cold-pressed versions and remain consistent. Number 1. Mustard oil. Most older individuals regard mustard oil as ordinary cooking fat for frying or adding sharp taste to traditional recipes. Nobody examines that deep yellow container, imagining warmer feet or lighter legs. This is the oil many have awaited. I am confident most individuals have never encountered its potential for supporting blood circulation to lower extremities. It carries hidden advantages, including one making daily usage simpler. Mustard oil often costs less and remains more accessible than popular alternatives, creating a friendly option for sustained habits. It does possess one limitation. Its potent aroma and bold taste may feel intense initially, requiring adjustment time. Nutritional and cardiovascular research suggests daily mustard oil consumption supports vessel comfort and smoother blood movement in lower limbs. Mustard oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, allyl isothiocyanate, and antioxidants supporting natural nitric oxide pathways. When vessels maintain flexibility, blood travels easily toward lower legs and feet. Its natural compounds also calm arterial inflammation, supporting smoother steps, reduced heaviness, and gentle warmth returning to your lower body. Add small amounts to warm meals, incorporate gently into soups, or mix into prepared vegetables. Select pure varieties and maintain consistency. Before continuing your day, remember this truth. Your legs have not stopped responding. Even when they feel weighted, chilled, or sluggish presently, space for transformation remains. Small daily practices create quiet differences. What you consume every single day matters far beyond occasional attempts. One spoonful of appropriate oil taken consistently may assist your lower body in feeling supported once more. Never accept that circulation decline simply means growing older. Aging remains natural. Surrendering is not. Your legs still react to nourishment, warmth, and dedication. Commit to 30 days. Make one small selection daily. Listen carefully to your body. Watch for warmth returning, heaviness dissolving, steps becoming effortless. Your legs carry your independence. Support them, and they may carry you further than you ever imagined possible. Share your age and location below. Tell me which oil you are selecting for your journey.